In this video, I will be showing you how to activate auto speech on ChatGPT. This is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is to go to your Google web browser. But before that, make sure that you're logged into your ChatGPT already. So first, you have to go to Google web browser and kind of type ChatGPT auto speech, and then click the first one here, and it will take you directly to this site, chat auto speech. So as you can see here, for overview we have the following. So all you have to do is to read this one in order for you to have knowledge about this chat gpt auto speech. Add to chrome, add extension, and then you can go back to chat gpt now. So let's try this chat gpt auto speech. So to start, let's say we're going to ask ChatGPT examples. Let's just say number 2, get any creative ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday. So click this one and ChatGPT will generate answers for you. So this is an example. We have scavenger hunt, DIY photo booth, and so on. Now, if you are from other country and you wanted to understand this using your language, so all you have to do is to go to this site and click and tap your language. For example,
You can also create a backdrop using streamers, balloons, or a themed
language. Yes, that's it. And you can choose other language. So this is how beneficial auto speech on ChatGPT in our lives. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.